When you experience the CRU 32 pizza oven for the first time, you immediately sense that this is more than just a pizza oven. It's a versatile outdoor cooking tool designed to elevate your entire culinary repertoire. The moment you unpack the CRU 32, its impressive build quality stands out. Crafted from insulated, dual-walled ANSI 304 stainless steel, the oven's construction is both robust and elegant, promising years of reliable performance and withstanding the rigors of outdoor cooking. This material choice isn't just about durability, it's also about heat retention and efficiency. The dual-wall insulation ensures that heat is distributed evenly throughout the oven chamber, which translates to consistent cooking results and less fuel consumption, whether you're using wood, charcoal, or a combination of both. One of the most notable features you'll appreciate is the generous 11.8-inch oven opening. This wide entryway doesn't just make sliding pizzas in and out effortless, it also opens up a world of culinary possibilities. The spacious cooking surface allows you to bake large, classic Neapolitan pizzas with perfectly blistered crusts, but it also gives you room to experiment with artisan breads, roast meats, grilled seafood, or even cook vegetables directly on the coals. The CRU 32 is designed to be as flexible as your imagination, making it an ideal companion for anyone who enjoys exploring new techniques and flavors in their outdoor kitchen. A standout aspect highlighted in many CRU 32 pizza oven reviews is the oven's enhanced thermal efficiency, achieved through a thoughtfully engineered heat deflector positioned at the top of the dome. This addition ensures that heat circulates evenly above and below your food, creating the kind of intense, enveloping environment that's essential for authentic wood-fired pizza. As a result, you can expect pizzas to cook incredibly quickly, often in as little as 90 to 120 seconds, while still achieving that coveted leopard-spotted crust and bubbling caramelized toppings. The heat deflector also makes the oven more forgiving when baking bread or roasting, as it minimizes hot spots and helps maintain a stable cooking temperature. Portability and ease of use are woven into the CRU 32's design. The oven is constructed in two main pieces, making it straightforward to transport, move, or store when not in use. This modular approach also simplifies the cleaning process. Ash removal is quick and hassle-free, so you can spend more time enjoying your food and less time on maintenance. The durable stand is engineered for stability and longevity, providing a secure base for your cooking adventures, whether you're setting up in your backyard, patio, or even taking the oven on the road for camping or tailgating. Every detail of the CRU 32 pizza oven is shaped by a blend of modern manufacturing techniques and old-world craftsmanship. The result is an oven that feels premium in every interaction, from the smooth action of the oven door to the precision of the heat controls. The oven's ability to reach and maintain high temperatures with minimal fuel input is a testament to its thoughtful engineering, and this efficiency is something you'll notice every time you fire it up. The multi-fuel compatibility adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to choose between the smoky aroma of wood-fired cooking or the steady heat of charcoal, depending on your mood and the dish you're preparing. Using the CRU 32 pizza oven, you'll find that it transforms the way you approach outdoor cooking. The quick heat-up time means you can go from lighting the fire to enjoying a perfectly cooked pizza in minutes, making it easy to entertain friends and family, or just treat yourself to a gourmet meal any night of the week. The oven's thermal stability and even heat distribution give you the confidence to try everything from delicate pastries to robust roasts, knowing that your results will be consistent and impressive. In summary, the CRU 32 pizza oven experience is defined by versatility, efficiency, and craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned pizzaiolo or a home cook eager to expand your outdoor cooking horizons, the CRU 32 offers the performance and flexibility to make every meal memorable. As you explore what this oven can do, you'll quickly understand why so many CRU 32 pizza oven reviews praise its thoughtful design and exceptional results. With the CRU 32, you're not just making pizza, you're genuinely unlocking a world of culinary possibilities right in your own backyard.